Good morning. So it's been a little over a month since I have given birth. I am healing pretty well from my C-section, and the house is overdue for a nice deep clean. We did a deep clean before I went into the hospital, so everything was nice and clean when I got home. And since then, between Sean's busy work schedule and just taking care of a baby, a deep cleaning has not been able to get done. So him and the baby are up taking a nap, and I'm going to get some deep cleaning done that needs to be done desperately. You know, the bathrooms, the floors, things like that. So since it's been a hot minute since we've done a cleaning video together, I thought that I would bring you along in case you need a little motivation to get your cleaning done. So let's get to it.